Good afternoon, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is always protect public property. Ladies and gentlemen, we often hear people saying that public property is our property and we can do anything with it. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, public property is your property. It is for your benefit. But this is absolutely wrong that we can do anything with it. We can destroy public property at our own will, according to our own desire. When you are frustrated with a particular kind of event in your personal life, what you do? You start destroying public property. When we are not happy with certain circumstances in our life, what we do? We throw our anger on public property and we destroy public property. And ladies and gentlemen, this has become our nature. That whenever we are facing any problem, any difficult situation in life, we will just go to any public place and we will start destroying public property. You are not happy with any decision of central government or the state government. What you do? You start destroying public property. Ladies and gentlemen, beautiful buildings, beautiful monuments, beautiful museums, beautiful roads, beautiful shops. All these things are for our own benefit. If we destroy them, only we are going to lose all the luxuries of life. So if something is public, it doesn't mean that it is for destruction. And we are the owner of it. We can destroy it anywhere, anytime, according to our choices. And in certain cases, ladies and gentlemen, it is not only the case that since you are frustrated by something, and because of this you are destroying some public property, this is not always the reason. You will be surprised to know that people willingly destroy public property just because it is fun for them. Whenever there is some kind of agitation in the country, in a particular city or town, in a particular state, of course, frustrated people are showing their anger in form of dharna and other such things. But within that crowd, there are certain people who have nothing to do with the issue of that dharna, and they are just there to find an opportunity to destroy the public property. They have absolutely nothing to do with the issue. Why a person is feeling bad against policy of a particular government, be it state government or central government. That person is having some other issue, but there are certain non-cultural elements which become the part of this crowd, and their only motive is to destroy as much public property as they can. They feel happy by destroying public property. So destruction of public property, please don't think that it is some kind of revenge against government, state government or central government. It is a habit. It is a habit of certain people who want to destroy the beauty of their country willingly. They have nothing to do with country. They don't respect their country. They don't respect their city. They don't respect their state. Their only motive is to create destruction at any cost and then enjoy after that. They feel happy when they do such kind of things. But by doing so, you are forgetting that you are destroying your own country. You are destroying your own country, ladies and gentlemen. You are disrespecting the beauty of your own country. Whenever something great happens in the country in terms of construction of beautiful buildings, beautiful monuments, beautiful monasteries, we feel happy that yes, something valuable we are going to achieve in this country. And when that beautiful thing comes under its full view, what we do? We start destroying. we start painting the walls of that beautiful monument. We start writing illogical things on the walls of that monument. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our country, and we must understand that maintaining the dignity of our country is our own responsibility. No third person will come and maintain the beauty and dignity of this country, and if you yourself destroy the beauty of your country, outsiders will always disrespect you. Outsiders will always say that if these people are not respecting their own country, who are we to respect their country? Why should we respect their country if they are not respecting their own country, being the citizen of that particular nation? Ladies and gentlemen, it is a blot on our own character. If we destroy public property, it is a blot on our own character. It is a blot on our own credibility. And then we say that we are Indian, we love our country, we respect our country. If we are destroying public property, we do not respect our country, ladies and gentlemen. Always remember this. If you are destroying public property, if I am destroying public property, I have absolutely no respect for my country in my heart. So, ladies and gentlemen, we all should think in a positive way, in a constructive way. If you have any problem with any decision of central government or the state government, we have various online platforms where you can directly file your application. So please follow that step. Please don't destroy public property. This is your country. This is your state. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA. And please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.